Have you ever wondered how YouTube recommends videos or how your phone recognizes faces? Is it programmed with thousands of rules, or does it actually learn on its own? Welcome to Code to Intelligence. In this video, we'll understand what machine learning is in the simplest way possible. If you want to learn how to bake a cake, how would you do it? One way is to follow a cookbook step by step, and another way is to watch someone and learn by observing and practicing. The first is like giving strict instructions, while the second is like learning from experience, and that is exactly the idea behind machine learning. From the 1950s to the 1980s, most AI systems followed a rules-based approach called symbolic AI, where programmers wrote detailed instructions to make machines behave intelligently, but writing rules for every situation is very difficult and sometimes impossible. So researchers explored another approach called machine learning, where instead of giving rules, we give data and let the machine learn patterns on its own. The term machine learning was introduced by Arthur Samuel. In simple terms, a computer program is said to learn from experience if its performance improves over time, meaning a machine learns by doing a task, getting feedback, and improving from it. For example, suppose you want a machine to identify whether an image contains a panda or not. At the beginning, it has no idea what a panda looks like, so you give it an image and it makes a guess, maybe not a panda. Then you provide the correct answer, this is a panda, and the machine compares its prediction with the correct answer and adjusts itself. This process repeats again and again. Predict, compare, improve, and after seeing many examples, the machine becomes better even at images it has never seen before. That's the core idea of machine learning: learning from data, improving with experience, and making better predictions over time. You can even try this yourself using tools like Teachable Machine by Google. Thanks for watching Code to Intelligence. In the next video, we'll understand how machines actually learn using something called a model.